Imagine waking up to find money in your bank account without needing to answer emails, sit through meetings, or clock into a job you don't love. Sounds good? Let's break it down. Passive income isn't money for nothing. It's money disconnected from constant effort. Example, I wrote an ebook on Amazon Kindle once, and now earn royalties every quarter. Work done once, money flows in. Passive income equals building assets today that pay you tomorrow. Step 1. Understand your two resources. You only have two real resources: time, money. You can either trade time for money, a job, or use time and money to build assets, businesses, investments, products. Step 2. Win the inner game. Most people fail before they start because of internal blocks. I don't have the right idea. I'm not ready. I need more skills. The fastest way to shatter that? Action greater than overthinking. Right now, text someone you trust. Hey Sarah, what kind of business do you think I'd be good at? This is called the Now Not How Challenge. Start before you feel ready. Build momentum. Step 3. Learn the real skill that pays. Every business boils down to two things. Create something people want. Sell it to them. Most people are trained only to do the work, not win the work. The secret weapon? Learn marketing and sales. Volunteer for client-facing tasks at your job. Help with pitches. Practice finding clients. Freedom comes from knowing how to create and sell value. Step 4. Find your business idea. The 4 circles. Look for the overlap between what you enjoy, what you're good at, what solves a real problem, what people will pay for. Step 5. Choose your path, service or audience. You have 2 ways to turn your skills into income. Sell services, faster money, coaching, workshops, freelancing. Build an audience, long-term growth, content, trust, products. The harsh truth about passive income. Building passive income is brutally slow at first. Most people quit too early because they expect fast results. They aren't willing to stay consistent during the boring phase. If you can survive the red zone, slow, painful start, you'll eventually hit unstoppable momentum. Don't build a life that looks good on a CV. Build one that feels good to live.